今日陽光普照嘅一日啊！咁啊12月14號啊，咁啊係好多謝啊 Larry，OK，and then take me to I heard about the biggest restaurant in America。我想訪問啊嘛。Hey Larry，is that
Yes.
the one that we went to the
Yes,
Chinese restaurant?
it's the largest dim sum restaurant in USA. 28,000 square feet.
Can you tell me about the San Francisco? A lot of people think about半島, the biggest restaurant in San Francisco. Actually, exactly where's the city is?
So this restaurant is actually in a small town near where we live in Hayward. It's in a town called Castro Valley. And they had an opportunity to take over a huge warehouse space and convert it into a luxury restaurant with a large Chinese supermarket next door.
今日嚟到咧半島豪苑咧，就主要參觀一下。我知道有好多嘅 private room 咧，就 setting 咗喺度，而且係訂滿咗嘅添喎。咁喺三藩市喺呢個希活區，其實咧就好近嘅，就喺隔離個浮嘅啫，就叫做 Castro Valley。咁咧就係有一個半島即係講半島豪苑海鮮酒家。咁呢度咧就容納坐嘅人咧就即係過千啦。正話啱你睇到啊，嗰度全部都係無論係 private room 有最大嘅台，當然個轉盤係全部自動㗎啦。咁我記得以前喺溫哥華嘅半島明珠亦都有咁大嘅。跟住我嚟咧呢度望到咧就係半島豪苑啦。咁半島豪苑咧今日係星期日啦咁已經好多人喺度準備緊今晚有個宴會嘅。咁而我知道咧聖誕節當然好多唔同嘅 event 咧都會喺度有義演嘅。咁我知道女大姐咧就喺12月28號咧就有一個義演就將會喺度舉行嘅。咁呢度可以容納成100圍台1000人啊。咁1000人宴就一定要喺度擺啦。最大嘅一個半島豪苑餐館就係喺三藩市呢邊啦。